Want to learn how we cut the joinery for this coffee table using only a table saw? Let's start with the top. So what we've got here is a glued up rough blank of laminated walnut, and we're cutting it to size using our sliding panel saw. From there, we go ahead and put a bevel on it with a router. Then we can begin with the joinery. So on this table, we're using some sliding table saw jigs that we custom constructed to cut this castle joint. After cutting the joinery on the leg, we take it over to a new jig on our sliding panel saw that we're actually able to flip over, put in a shim, and put an even taper on two sides of the leg, and this just helps to give everything a lighter profile. Now that we're done with the legs, we can move on to cutting the skirts. So we're going to be doing a half lap joint for this, which means these two skirt pieces will actually notch into each other and end up flush. So again, we're using a sliding table saw jig for that, and then we're adding a bevel using a miter saw just to match the bevel we put on the top of the piece. Once those are cut, we can go ahead and assemble the skirts. As long as we cut everything perfectly, there should be very little resistance to get these to go together. With our joinery, we also like to pilot hole out a spot for a screw. This is just kind of like an insurance policy for a joinery and keeps everything snug. Then it's time to put the legs on, and you can see that dado cut that we made earlier. It slides over the two pieces of the skirt, making for a very satisfying piece of joinery. After assembling all of the joinery, the final step is to countersink that pilot hole that we made earlier and put our screw in, and this just helps everything to sit nice and flush. From there, we can go ahead and put the top on our piece and stand back and admire the finished product. We also offer an in-house workshop that you can find on our website.